Hello. Mahugas na ako ng mga kinainan. Ilinagay ko na itong mga porcelas ko. Kasi yun na nag-CT scan ako. Pinaalis lahat. Pati itong ano ko, itong kwintas ko. Ginawa ko lahat ito. Ito. Gawa ko yan. Ito. Ito. Hindi ko to ginawa. Binili. Yan. Gawa ko lahat yan. Mga ano to, tinatawag na semi-precious stone. Amethyst. Nandyan. Paborito ko amethyst. Okay. Nakaidlip ako kaunti habang nakikinig ako ng misa ni Father Joel. Alexa, what time is it?
It's 8:22 p.m.
Gabi na dito. Yan. Pero kailangan na hugasan ko ito. Dahil ano yan? Alam nyo kung ano ito? Ano ng tea? Lalagay ko sa aking tanim. Hi, what to eat?
On the table, but it's put up I'm gonna make sure I make for sure. Is this the only time you got?
Akala mo walang sakit, ano?
I see these grapes are going back in here.
Kaya huwag niyong isipin ang sakit niyo. Huwag niyong pag nalaman niyo na may sakit kayo, madidepress kayo, lalo ang sakit niyo. Kasi kung time na talaga, wala kang magagawa. Kung time nang talagang mamatay, wala kang magagawa. Kahit nga mayayaman, kahit ka talagang sobrang pera, kapag oras na talaga, oras na. Hindi na talaga yan mapipigilan. Kaya, habang buhay, gumawa ng kabutihan. Huwag man lamang ng kapwa. Huwag man gano'n. Mangloko.
Sorry. Thank you.
Kaya gumawa ng kabutihan sa ating kapwa. Yung mangluloko. Ayan. Pagdating ng panahon, pagbabayaran na naman yan. Kasi walang utang na hindi babayaran. Kaya yun, yung mga ginawa sa akin, utang yun, babayaran niya yun. Pagdating ng panahon. Ganyan yan.
Are you doing a live show or something?
Yeah.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh. Interesting.
Oops, what happened? Yeah. Yeah. Ano kayang dapat kong kainin?
You recording this for your family or just for?
For everyone.
Oh. Interesting.
I'm washing the dishes. Then I'm thinking about eating. But I don't know what to eat.
Just do what I'm doing. Just put it in the pan and eat it. Egg and whatever. Eggs and bread.
Ay. Naka-idlip ako ng kaunti.
I can even survive on my own cooking. Even though my cooking is not the best. Sometimes it is for certain things. I can cook pretty good.
Yeah.
But that's learning. Because in order to learn, you gotta try. If you don't try, you never know.
In the Philippines. Alexa, what time is it in the Philippines?
In the Philippines, it's 12:28 p.m.
Oh, lunchtime.
Lunchtime, yeah.
Lunchtime in the Philippines. Here it's midnight. I'm going to
No,
sleep.
not midnight. It's
No.
only 8:30.
8:30. It's, yeah.
Well, they're about 14, 15 hours ahead. Roughly. That's what it's all about. Oh. That's much.
Yeah.
Much too much. I need to get a little spatchy or something. Spoon and stuff. I don't know if I have a spatula. Well, I don't know. I'm gonna borrow this. Thank you very much. Can't find what I'm looking for. That works.
Hello, everybody. Thank you for watching my live show. Tagal ko nang walang live show. Ngayon lang naman. Yan. Ito ang aking exercise. Maghugas ng pinggan. Yeah. Kailangan tayong kumilos-kilos. Huwag maawa sa sarili. Kahit may sakit. Kasi
That's why sometimes when I'm in the kitchen, I listen to music once in a while.
kapag
It's nice to have.
iniisip mo ang sakit, lalo kang madidepress.
Listening to music is always good because it helps.
I don't turn on the music.
No, I'm saying when I'm by myself.
Yeah, I know, but I've been here in the kitchen first.
No, I know. I'm saying if you're ever by
Oh.
yourself, listen to music and it helps relax your mind.
I know, but I'm here in the
you're
first.
recording right now, so that's okay.
I'm here in the kitchen first.
I know, I'm not going to interrupt what you're doing.
Okay. If you're cooking, I'm not there. So,
Speaking of stuff, well, there's whatever. I'll talk
I'm
to
not
you.
interrupting on your cooking.
Yeah, well, I don't cook too much anyways, just a little bit.
Yeah, you're cooking for yourself.
Well, I put other stuff on for everybody else too.
Yeah, but it's cooked already, and all you have to do is just warm it up,
Whatever, yeah.
right?
Sometimes, yeah. Well, I mean, it's pre-made stuff that you buy in the store that's already pre-cooked.
Yeah.
All you have to do is heat it up for 10,
Yeah, that's
15
right.
minutes. And most stuff is pre-cooked. You can buy it in the store pre-cooked. Well, except for spring rolls, you have to.
Where is the spring?
When you buy
spring
spring
roll?
rolls, you have to baste them in oil. Then you can bake them in the oven. That's how you can cook spring rolls. If you want to put it in a small conventional oven, a tiny oven, or on a tray, you have to. If they're frozen, microwave them on a plate first. Then when they're soft for a couple of minutes or less than a minute or two.
Or laundry, this detergent is concentrated.
Yeah, that's true. Very good.
But we're running out of
No, we got extra
this
backup.
detergent.
No, we got actually extra backup under the sink. We got lots of
Okay.
We always buy extra stuff.
So tomorrow is Tuesday. I thought today is March 2nd. It's 3rd. Can't believe it.
Why did you say March?
I keep
November.
saying,
It's November.
yeah, it's
Well,
November.
earlier you said it was May and then you thought it was March. No, it's November. You're getting your.
I don't know what's in my
It's
mind.
because you're thinking about other things from before, I think. That's what it is.
Simula nang operahan ako sa sa ulo dahil sa tumor sa ulo ko. Ano yan?
It was the size of a small tennis ball.
Sometimes I'm very forgetful.
Well, you remember who
But
you are.
I don't forget
you
the
remember
past.
Who you are when you look in the mirror. You
I know.
recognize yourself. You're not like some person in the corner when you don't know who you are.
Yeah, one thing I still remember is me.
And you can remember your family. That's
Yeah,
pretty good.
one thing I remember
I mean,
is my family, but I have temporary amnesia.
there's sometimes you wish you could forget the things you don't want to remember.
Yeah, I wish I don't remember
Forget
the
things
past.
that hurt.
That with people that scammed me long time ago. I don't remember them anymore. I wish I don't remember them anymore, but it's still in my brain.
Well, that's just the way life is.
Yeah.
Life isn't always fair the way you want it to be, but we try.
Yeah, so many scammers out there. So careful of trusting people.
Ow.
No.
Alright.
So now I'm aware.
Everybody should have a little collar on their neck so that when their people are lying, it lights up and you can tell.
Yeah.
Just like a special thing. Tuned into your,
Oh yeah.
or either that,
This person.
or you should have a
You know that, what is the name of that, Paulo? He's supposed to be working in making a movie. I didn't know that scammer.
Oh, well, life is like that. You live, you learn. You live,
And
you
also, there's another person, he's joining, like, in the showbiz, like making movies. I didn't know that scammer too.
Well, there's a lot of people.
I forgot his name now.
Yeah, well, that's fine.
He's really a professional scammer.
Oh, there's a few of them around like that. I won't say names of people that I think I know who you're thinking about.
I forgot the name of the other guy who scammed me.